So those who were digging the Kola super deep hole in Russia were actually taken aback when they heard sounds like thousands of souls, human souls, screaming from the Kola super deep hole. So much so they decided to seal the hole forever and for good. And the religious people started hypothesizing that they dug up to hell, and the sound that they heard is nothing but thousands of souls screaming from hell. Now here comes the latest. NASA has recently released an audio which is actually an extracted audio which is remixed, which is a sound from the black hole. There is an alarming resemblance of the sound from the black hole and the sound from the Kola super deep hole. This sound is also ghostly, looks like millions of souls screaming out from the black hole. In other words, if we discovered hell on earth by digging at Kola, we might have probably discovered the hell in the universe, which is the black hole. And the sounds from both are remarkably similar. An alarming thought is that we might have stumbled across the sound of universal hell, just like we stumbled across the sound of hell on earth from the Kola super deep hole. Indeed, startling, astounding, and unbelievable, isn't it?